Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to apply for IPOs through internet banking, which is one of the most easiest way to apply for it. But before we proceed with it, let's have a look on the performance of the recent IPOs which got listed in 2020. So Mrs. Bector Foods, which got listed on 24th of December, has given a return of around 37% till date. Burger King, which got listed on 14th December, has already given a return of 140%. Gland Pharma, which got listed on 20th November, has given a return of 70% till today. Equitas Small Finance got listed on 2nd of November and it has given a return of 92% till date. Likita Infrastructure, which got listed on 15th of October last year, has given a return of 158.46% till date. UTI Asset Management got listed on 12th October and has given a return of 9%. Mazgaon Dock got listed on 12th October and it has given a return of 53% till date. Angel Broking got listed on 5th of October and it has given a return of 7.6%. Chemcon got listed on 1st October and it has given a return of 29.18%. CAMPS got listed on 1st of October and it has given a return of 54.57%. Route Mobile was the best performer from last year, which got listed on 21st of September and it has given a return of 384.61% till date. Happiest Minds was the second best performer from last year, which got listed on 17th September and it has given a return of 222.8% till date. Mindspace Business Park has given a return on of 9.71% till date. Rosary Biotech got listed on 23rd of July and has given a return of 137.82%. SBI Cards and Payment Services got listed on 16th March last year and has given a return of 40% till date. Now let's have a look of the upcoming IPOs from March 2021. Since I'm making this video on 7th of March, so the first two IPOs, that is Haranba and Amta Technologies, have already closed. The upcoming IPOs are Ease My Trip, which will be opening from 8th of March, Anupam Rasayan, which will be opening from 12th of March, Craftsman, which will be opening on 15th of March, Lakshmi Organic will also be opening on 15th of March. Now let's proceed with how to apply for the IPO through internet banking. Since I'll be showing you through an example of Yes Bank net banking. So the first step will be to log into your internet banking. After login, you will be navigated to your dashboard. It may differ from bank to bank, but you will be able to find similar kind of menu options in your dashboard after you log in with any log into any bank. So in this, as you can see on the dashboard, we can see invest and insure option. And when we click on this, inside that we can see apply online for equity option. We'll click on this option, apply online for equity, and then we will be navigated to the next page. On the next page, we need to click on applicant registration if you have not registered already. So we'll click on this and we'll be taken to the next page where we need to register ourselves. So on this screen, we'll enter the required details as shown. So the most important are the PAN card number and the depository name. The depository name will be CDSL or NSDL, which will be available in the drop down. And in the next page, you need to enter your details of the CDSL or NSDL number, verify it, and just click on confirm, and you will be registered. After you register, registration is complete, go back to the dashboard and navigate through the same menu options, and then you can see you will be landing on this page. From this page, you can select from the drop down of company name drop down the IPO which you want to apply for, investor category, your account number, and the select the applicant, which will be yourself. So this is the sample, filled in sample where I am applying for MTAR Technologies. Investor category will be retail. After after you fill in the details and click on next, bid details will be coming on the screen. You can verify the details, check on these, and then at the bottom you will find cutoff price and enter bid price. Enter the number of shares, and please mind that the number of shares should be in the multiples of the lot size, which means if one lot consists of 26 shares, you must enter either 26, or if you want to apply for two lots, you can enter 52 shares, and then click on next. After you click on next, this verify screen will be coming with where you can verify whatever details you have entered, and click on confirm, and your application is successful, and a reference number will be generated for the same, which can be used for further reference, like once the IPOs are listed, you can use this reference number to check whether you have been allotted the IPOs or not.